Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out a very classic product. This is from the brand NYX, NYX, and this is the lip pencil. And this comes in so many shades, but I picked it up in the shade Peekaboo Neutral, SPL 860. And I picked this up from Walmart recently. This only cost like $5, and I swear by lip pencils. I only started using a lip pencil regularly probably like a year ago, but it is such a game changer. You can overline your lips, but even if not, it just makes the lips look so much better, more precise, more shaped. Even if I'm just wearing lip gloss, I'll use a lip liner underneath. I personally love to overline my top lip, but I just think everyone can benefit from a lip liner. But so I prefer to get like a very neutral, similar to my lip shade type of lip liner to wear under any lip color, any lip gloss. So I was thinking this would be a good shade. Let's start out with a swatch. Seems creamy, pigmented, and that does seem like a great shade. This is also cruelty-free. I believe it's infused with like coconut oil to also be moisturizing, which I love because I have very dry lips. Since I'm only going to be applying this lip liner today, I'm going to start out by outlining my lips, but then I also want to fill my lips in with this, and we'll see how the color looks all over. But first I'm going to go right ahead and just line my lips. I'm going to just line my natural lip line on the lower lip. Even if I'm not overlining my lips, I just like to also make my lips more symmetrical. But ooh, I really like how that looks. This really is a fantastic shade. Now for my top lip, I like to overline the Cupid's bow a bit, so let's see how that does. This really does draw very easily. It doesn't pull on the lips. Oh, I can't get over this shade. It's not too dark, it's not too light, and I feel like it goes with my natural lip color really nicely. And there we go. Quickly and easily lined my lips, but look at the difference in just how my lips look, just more nicely shaped. But now I'm so excited to fill in my lips with this color since I'm loving this shade so much, but my lips are very chapped, so we'll see how this does. Hopefully it's not too drying, hopefully it doesn't cling to those dry patches. I mean, it's not like I can't rub my lips together. It's not like a super creamy or anything like that type of texture, but it was very easy to color my lips in. And it looks like smooth, even opaque color that's even very smooth over the dry patches. And the chapped areas on my lips, you can't even see them anymore. It's not clinging to that at all. If anything, my lips look a little bit more hydrated and smoother, but still with a matte finish. Oh, and this is just the most beautiful, neutral, like nude lip shade. So flattering, so easy to wear. I'm loving this color, but also loving this formula. It feels so comfortable on the lips, and I can't get over how like smoothing and even this is. I was not expecting that because it's like a pretty matte, kind of dry product, but it does not make the lips look dry, and my lips were very dry and chapped before filling them in with this. Wow, I can't stop looking in the mirror. I'm so blown away by how my lips look right now. Very curious about the transfer. Let's see. What? No transfer? Okay, this is incredible. From the color to the formula to how long lasting it is, amazing. And for $5, I highly recommend this. This is like a daily new product for me. Love this. Wow, so if you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it. I'd also love to hear if you've tried out this shade Peekaboo Neutral. Let me know if it's a flattering shade for you as well, because I really do think this is just like the most perfect neutral lip shade. So pretty, so easy to wear. I'm so excited about this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.